Hey guys, welcome to Motoroids. My name is Amit, and ever since I did the review of the Vento Diesel, a lot of you liked it. Thanks a lot for your appreciation. But a lot of people had asked me to do a review of the Volkswagen Connect app as well as the data plug that's available separately. And we thought that it would be a good thing to do a review of the connectivity app and let you know all the features. Now, before we start that, I would like to tell you that Volkswagen has come up with the Volkswagen Vento, Polo and Emio Connect editions. So this technology is available off the shelf by Volkswagen. However, we had the Passat with us today and we thought of demonstrating the technology, the app and all its features to you in this specific infotainment system. So let's see how to install the Volkswagen data plug and how to operate it using the Volkswagen Connect app. Let's get going with this. Now the first thing that you require to enable the Connect app and use all the features is this data plug, which is available separately if your edition is not the Connect edition, and it connects with the OBD port of your car, and I'll show you where exactly it's installed in the Passat. Most of the times it would be in the driver's footwell, and the position of this dongle is right here. So it connects to the OBD port so that it can get all the data from the engine and all the electronics and all the functions, and connect to the app on your phone and help you drive better. Now once you have connected the data plug, you need to download and install the Volkswagen Connect app. We have already downloaded and installed it. It's available both on the iOS as well as Android platforms. Once you open it, it would ask you to connect with your data plug using this 8-digit pin which is available on the box. And once you provide this pin, it's going to send you an email at the specified email address, and then you'll have to verify your email and provide certain details like your cell phone number and a few other things so that your car is registered and the data plug is also registered. We have done all of that on our phone and we are going to run you through all the features that you have. So when you go to the menu, you have the Volkswagen Connect icon, and there you will get all the information about your car. So we are in the Passat, so it has already identified that this is a Passat, and it gives you all the information about the car, including the VIN number, the battery voltage, the mileage that the car has done, the fuel that the tank has. Since it's connected to the OBD port, it's giving me the value of the fuel that's there in the tank. It's 33 liters right now. It shows me the range, which is 340 kilometers, and it also shows me that the service inspection is due in 6,000 kilometers or 93 days. It also shows me the oil service days and the mileage that's remaining. It also gives me an option to select the type of tires that I have on my car. Right now I have not selected, but you can choose from summer, winter, all-weather or Nordic tires. You also get additional vehicle details. So for example, this is the Passat and you have all the information about this specific model. You also get other information like initial registration and general vehicle inspection on the calendar. So this is about the basic information. On the Volkswagen Connect homepage, you also have this last trip, which lets you know where you drove and a lot of other details. So it's showing me that I drove for 29.8 kilometers and it took me 1 hour 35 minutes. And there are these challenges which I'm going to let you know more about. But seems like I have 181 points. So a good thing about this app is that it makes driving a lot of fun and you can engage in a lot of activities. It unlocks new challenges for you, and it makes you a better driver by giving you new challenges every day and keeps you engaged and makes you want to come back to your car over and over again. At the bottom, it's also showing me the service partner for this specific car, and it's showing Autobahn Automotive Private Limited as the preferred partner. Now let's go to trips, and this specific page has all the information about today's trip. So it's showing me that I started from this pin code, and right now I'm here. This was the initial odo reading, this is the final odo reading. The distance was 29.8 kilometers and the average speed was 19 kilometers per hour. Maximum speed was 111 kilometers per hour, and fuel cost is something that has to be entered through a separate page. I'm going to show you that. Now let's go to the statistics. So it's showing you a lot of other things, which is during the day I drove 29.8 kilometers, but I'm not driven in the night, so it's not showing me how many kilometers I've driven in the night. So this is my driving score. My driving style at a gentle driving style score is 95%. So that's a decent score, I think. So engine speed, I got 98% score. Braking, I got 90% score. Accelerating, I got 90% score. speed I got 100% score, and coolant temperature I got 100% score. So it scores you based on your driving style, and if you're driving in a manner which is not very conducive for the car, you're going to be able to see it here. Now there are a lot of challenges, and right now I have managed to complete one challenge without even having tried it, and I'm going to let you know all about these challenges now. The challenges in this app are categorized in various different sections: distance, skill, discovery, environment, time, and bonus. So for example, if you go to distance, this is a challenge called long distance driver, and it asks you to cover a distance of 50 kilometers or more, and you have to do it 5 times to win this challenge. Similarly, here is a 500 kilometer challenge where you have to do more than 500 kilometers in one trip. So as soon as you finish each of these things, you don't have to really monitor it. It keeps on happening all by itself. You keep unlocking new challenges. So as soon as you finish any of these challenges, you get the points, and that adds to your final score. Similarly, if I go to the skill challenge, there are a lot of challenges like say Burj Khalifa, which wants me to be at an elevation of more than 828 meters, which by the way is the height of Burj Khalifa. So if I'm going to the Himalayas, I would be able to get the points, which would be 828 points. So all these challenges make it very interesting for you to come back to your car, drive it, and enjoy it. And the good thing here is that it's also about the environment, so it promotes driving in a very fuel efficient manner, so that you can not just save the environment but also save on your fuel bills. You also have your service appointments, where you can choose from a variety of dealers and service stations that you have. Right now it's showing Autobahn Automotive Private Limited as my preferred service station. Once you choose it, you can send appointment requests to your service partner, and you can also look at your appointment history. The parking space feature allows you to locate your car where it was last parked, and you can find the route to the last parked spot using Google Maps. So it's a good feature. If you parked it somewhere, to get to that place, the last parking space is a decent add-on to this whole application. Fuel monitor is something which allows you to monitor your fuel consumption very closely, and you can choose from a variety of options. So you can put in your mileage, and you can put in your kilometers traveled. You have a lot of options here where you can put the price of the fuel per liter. You can put in the costs, the amount of money that you paid when you filled in the fuel. You can also put in the name of the filling station. So if you just manage to update this section while you're getting your car refueled, it will give you a long-term log of how much money you have spent and what's the fuel efficiency and how you can improve it. Assistance call is important because if you get stuck in the middle of nowhere, you have this option of calling roadside assistance or calling the customer service, and you can also send location. If you're stuck in a situation where you don't know what to do, all these warning lights are also going to be of great use, and this app lets you know what exactly each of these warning lights mean, so that you can figure out what's wrong with the car and try and mend it if possible. Finally, you have this cup icon which lets you know your overall score. So my overall score after driving it for a day is 181 points, and I have achieved 3% to get to the bronze level. I have obviously driven it only for a day. This is my overall score. The trophies that I have earned is only one, which is car free day, where I did not drive my car on the car free day. And this is the history of how I won various different challenges, and gives me a whole log of whatever I've been doing with all the challenges that are available on the app. So that's that, guys. This app allows you to closely monitor your driving style and see the fuel efficiency, a lot of other things very simply by using your cell phone. And if you're someone who wants your car to be connected with your cell phone at all times, I think this app and this system is going to be of help to you. If you find it useful, you can have this installed, but I hope that this video was of some use to you. You found it informative. If you did, hit the like button, share it with your friends who would want to understand how Volkswagen Connect and Data Plug works. Subscribe to Motoroids, hit that bell icon, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time then, this is Amit Changhani signing off. Rev hard, rev free, and drive safe.